Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi A4 wiper blades. First, lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into place. This prevents the arm from snapping back unexpectedly. Next, locate the small release tab or button on the wiper blade assembly where it connects to the arm. Finally, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off to avoid any accidental activation of the wipers during the process. Now, let's detach the old blade. With the wiper arm lifted, firmly press the small release tab you located earlier. While holding the tab, slide the entire wiper blade assembly downwards, away from the arm's J-hook or pin. It should slide off with moderate effort. Once the blade is free, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield, placing a towel underneath for protection. Here are a few key tips for a smooth removal. Always place a thick towel or cloth on your windshield before you begin. This protects the glass if the wiper arm accidentally snaps back. Also, take a moment to observe how the old blade is oriented on the arm. This will be helpful when installing your new one. Remember to use gentle, consistent pressure on the release tab. After successfully removing the old wiper blade, take a moment to inspect the wiper arm itself. Check for any signs of rust, bends, or damage that might affect the performance of your new blades. This is also an excellent opportunity to thoroughly clean your windshield, removing any dirt or grime. Finally, remember to dispose of your old wiper blades responsibly, perhaps by recycling them if possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.